Lumalapit at nagbabadyang makaapekto sa ating bansa. Nasa labas pa yan ng Philippine area.
At dahil po sa sunod-sunod na lindol sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, pinaghahandaan ng mga LGU sa Metro Manila ang pagtama ng kinabahang The Big One.
Niyanig naman ng magnitude 5 na lindol ang Ilocos Norte pasado alas 4 ng hapon kanina.
Hindi po nalalayo sa magnitude 6.9 na lindol sa Cebu ang inaasahang lakas ng The Big One na pinangangamahang yayanig sa Metro Manila.
Hindi pa man nakakabago ng Cebu, norte naman ngayon ang niyanig ng lindol.
Good day everyone, and welcome to Handa Ka Ba? The podcast where we talk about real issues that affect us Filipinos every day. I'm your host, Russell, and joining me today, my co-host, Katrina.
Hi everyone, it's great to be here. Today, we're talking about a topic that affects all of us. The climate change and disaster preparedness in the Philippines.
That's right. The Philippines is one of the countries most vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Every year, we experience stronger typhoons, heavier rainfall, rising temperatures, and even longer dry seasons.
Exactly. Think back to Typhoon Yolanda or Haiyan in 2013. One of the strongest storms ever recorded in history. Thousands of lives were lost, and entire communities were destroyed. The event showed how serious climate change can be, and how important preparedness truly is. So, what's causing this? Climate change happens mainly because of human activities, burning fossil fuels for energy, cutting down trees, and improper waste disposal. These actions release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, trapping heat and making our planet warmer.
And the effects are already happening around us. Rising sea levels are threatening coastal towns, farmers are struggling with unpredictable rainfall, and families are constantly rebuilding after floods and landslides. We may not able to stop natural disaster, but we can always be prepared. So, here are a few important reminders every Filipino should know. Number one, stay informed. Always monitor pag-asa, updates, and local government announcements. Two, prepare a go bag. Include essentials like water, food, flashlight, batteries, first aid kit, face mask, extra clothes, and important documents. 3. Know your evacuation routes. Be familiar with safe areas in your community. 4. Participate in community drills. Practice helps you stay calm and ready during real emergency. And the last is be alert, not afraid. Awareness and preparation can save lives.
That's right, but being prepared isn't enough. We also need to take actions against climate change itself. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are a few simple steps that can make a big difference. Number 1, plant trees. They absorb carbon dioxide and help prevent floods and erosion. Number 2, save energy. Unplug appliances when not in use and switch to energy efficient options. Number 3, Use eco-friendly transportation. Walk, bike, or commute when possible. Number 4, reduce waste. Reuse, recycle, and avoid single-use plastics. And last, conserve water. Every small actions count.
Remember, everyone, climate change is real, but we are not powerless. Preparedness starts with awareness, and a small action can create big change when we all work together. Let's protect our communities, our families, and our future. Together, we can make the Philippines a safer, greener, and more resilient home. Before we end, we'd like to share some sources that inspired the tips we discussed today because everything we've said is based on real information from trusted organizations.
For disaster preparedness, our reminders like staying informed, preparing a go bag, and knowing evacuation routes were adapted from the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, and UNICEF Philippines, which both emphasize readiness and awareness as key to saving lives.
Our environmental tips, such as planting trees, conserving water, saving energy, and reducing waste, are supported by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, the DENR, and the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, both promoting sustainable living to fight climate change.
These organizations remind us that preparedness and environmental care go hand in hand. When we act responsibly today, we help build a safer, cleaner, and more resilient Philippines. And that wraps up today's episode of Handa Ka Ba? Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to follow and share this podcast to spread awareness, inspire others to take actions.
Ingat palagi mga kapodcast and always stay prepared. Thank you!